Hey guys, it is day 2 in Vista and I want to check in with you on our progress. Matt Jones from Jonesware Roots delivered a bunch of bare root barrels for us yesterday, which are gorgeous, but seriously check this one out, guys. Can you even? Oh, right. Look at her. Oh, so fantastic. Look at that. Just perfection. Wow, I'm going to have so much fun figuring out where she's going. We had a little bit of a hang up today. Our rock delivery was really late, like 4 or 5 hours late. So we did what we could. We trenched, we did a little tapestry because I had picked up some plants from Oasis yesterday. But yeah, I mean, we did the demo yesterday, so there just wasn't a whole lot to do. We kind of all just sort of sat on our thumbs. But around 1 o'clock, 1:30, the rocks came, and we've got to start on getting them staged. We also moved 10 yards of soil yesterday and today into this design space. Yeah, so these boulders aren't all staged exactly. I like to just kind of get them in and go from there. So we did get a few sort of where I want them, enough that I could stage a few plants. So I have a big 25-gallon Dazzlerian longissimum right there. That was the plant specifically requested by the client. Then I've got an aloe dichotoma right there. One of those fantastic Kalanchoe bayerensis from Caesar at Sun Valley right there. Then we have all of these fantastic sagos that are, here. We're already here. And our client wanted, the classic succulent dry or succulent stream kind of vibe with the tipped pot and then the spilling succulents out of it. So I got started on that today. I had the guys stage 3 agave variegates up above the tipped pot. This was challenging with the sagos because I didn't want to put anything in here that would compete height-wise. And I also wanted to get something in here that was a contrasting color. So I think those variegated attenuata will be the perfect choice in that spot. These are the boulders that we still have left to stage. Check out the honey or the Grand Canyon onyx from KRC. We got 3 of these. I don't know if they have any left. Run, don't walk. KRC Rock is having a Black Friday sale too. They're offering discounts on all their products through the end of December. So you want to check that out, especially if they've got any more of these beauties left. I had the guys go ahead and knock out some tapestry over here. We wouldn't normally have done it this early in the project, but we didn't have anything else to do. So Miguel got to work over here, and we still have a little bit of finish work to do on it. He's mostly done, but he wants something for right here. And I'm thinking I have to go back to Oasis tomorrow morning anyway, because we have one more tapestry area to do, and I ran out of plants, and I thought one of the 2-gallon echeverias might be perfect right here. But it's a beautiful, beautiful tapestry. So pleased with it. And then Kevin worked over here on this side. And he's got, a really, really good start to what he's doing too. All over here. Just beautiful. All right. And then over here, this was just cuttings from her yard. We not cuttings, rooted plants, but we moved these. They were over by the sagos. So we just tucked these beautiful crassulas in against the wall here with a few of the Aeonium urbicums. I'm going to pull in some more rubble. And that just made a nice little frame in that bed, didn't it? Then over here, we got our Petalanthus brachiotis popped in the ground. And of course, we'll be top dressing and rubbling. I don't think I'm going to add anything else in here. I want to keep this very, very simple and dialed in. Okay, then there's some more of our plants. Some of these are from Matt, some of these are from Caesar, some of these are from Oasis. But you get the idea. Here's another one of those beautiful Grand Canyon onyx boulders. We've got a bunch of rubble over here. And let's take a look at our top dressing rock. You see it in there? Here she blows. We went, I think that's desert gold. We went with a 3/4 inch rock instead of the 3/8. Because this is going to be more of a specimen garden, I wanted to go with a bigger gravel. And of course, we will also be pulling in a secondary rock. And because they have black sconces and black accents on the house, I think I'll go with a black 3/4 to splash around. I think that'll look really nice. And then the way we are going to delineate, because we're not doing the slope in this first phase, is we're going to go basically, this is where the other tapestry area is going to be, here at the entrance to the property. And we're going to take the rubble and kind of weave it up through here to create a delineation that will also hold, you know, all of the top dressing rock in place as well. We drilled out the palm tree stump and planted this adorable little euphorbia in it. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? I got that at Oasis. And Greg also drilled holes inside so there would be drainage. Yeah, we're not doing any lights here, as I said yesterday, and we will obviously be running NetFM subterranean drip. So tomorrow, oh my gosh, we should get tons done because everything is here on site. It's supposed to rain overnight, but we should be good in the morning. We should be able to get the rest of these boulders all staged, get these plants in place, and get the irrigation going. Then Saturday we'll be top dressing and we'll be out. So there you have that. I appreciate all of you for your enthusiastic viewing of these videos, and remember to check out KRC Rock if you're local to take advantage of that Black Friday. I don't know that they've ever done that before, but to take advantage of the Black Friday deal, and check in with us again tomorrow for the next phase in this beautiful 4-day installation. Bye guys.